What's up, guys? It's Javier, and we're gonna start today with the first thing done to the ground. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna start by doing the Fender Eliminator kit. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, like of what I do and like steps. But yeah, just take off, the back seat with your key, and yeah, it should be. Hold on, let me get it off. Alright, it looks fairly simple. Should be disconnecting some bolts right here. Looks like one's missing, or I don't know. But yeah, it looks fairly simple, like disconnecting these. Alright, so first we're gonna start by removing this 12, that 12, this 12, that 12. Also, hold on, I already disconnected this. You're gonna need to disconnect this 4-pin on. It was like tucked under here. It's pretty easy to get to. Just remove this and this little shiny thing, just pull it up. You can flex it back down and put it back. But yeah, when taking out this one, just be careful that you don't drop it down the little down the subframe tube. Hold on. You can use a regular hand wrench, but since I already have a impact guns and stuff, since I work on my car, I'm just using that. But you can use any Harbor Freight tool or something, whatever you prefer. But yeah, this is pretty hard doing it one hand. Yep, and just remove this, move it over here to block, and I should be able to get it out without dropping it in. Alright. I already moved this on the bottom. I just hold this black plug, if you were wondering. It just, disconnects your turn signals and your license plate light. But yeah, it's already starting to come off. Just have to figure out what's next, and I'll show what's right next when I come back. You could just pull on this down and it'll just come out, and just tuck this cable right through. Just tuck that black cable right there, and yeah, you have basically this whole assembly out. I'm just gonna start by taking off these bolts and screws so I can get to all the wiring, so I can transfer it over to the kit. And yeah, hold on, I'll show as I have that off. Alright, so the next step is you're gonna wanna remove this Phillip head, these two, and these two. So in total 5, and hold on. I think yeah. And these three 10mm. Okay, so next there is if you can see right where this bracket was, it's like this. Right behind this bracket, there's an 8 right here. Right here. Sorry, I know the light is pretty bad, but yeah, it's a 8mm. And yeah, one, 2, 3, 4. I mean, to look good, and that should remove the brake light. I mean the license plate light. These come from the factory loose. Like if you've ever noticed on a bike, like even that's brand new. Hold on, I'm on the ground. The bench is pretty dirty, so yeah, I'm just doing this on the ground. But all right, so this entire wiring is gonna be, over here, blah blah blah. After you remove, the 8mm and take off the front 8mm, when you fit, so you just want to pull everything through this hole. It'll all fit. You just have to do small sections. Like first do this section, then when you're over here, squeeze this. Then don't try to pull these two together because it's just a tight fit. So, just do like I said with the last one, pull a little bit up on the cable, squeeze this, then fit it in, and last, you'll have to take it off of this. It'll have 2 8mm in the back, and, just get it through here also the same way as you did over here, and yeah, should come out easy without tearing or ripping anything. Next, you want to get, this part of your kit. I don't actually know what kind of kit this is. Actually came with the ground when I bought it, so I don't even know. It's just a Fender Eliminator kit, so I'm going with that box height. Oh, actually, it is the Motorsports Fender Eliminator kit. But yeah, you just want to grab this rubber gasket that was on here and push these. These are in there, just push on them down, they'll come out. And you want to sit this gasket in here. Alright, so I'm showing this so nobody does what I did. And I over tightened this one, and it just, shit the bed. Look at this. Just came right off. But yeah, I was trying to get out all the play, but it's still gonna have some play, and I'm not even gonna bother trying to tighten this one anymore. That's as tight as it'll go. So yeah. Alright, so I already put this on right now. I actually didn't put the lights on yet because I wanted to see how it sat on here first. But yeah, like I said, these were pretty hard to get on, more than what was there, the original ones. So yeah, like I said, put a piece of tape, paper inside of these tubes, because if not, it's supposed to be gone, and you're gonna have to go buy new ones. But yeah, I just have to tighten down these two, and then I can put the lights. But I'm already starting to like the way it looks already. Alright, so if you're getting aftermarket LED lights, which you do want to buy, I don't know, some people don't mind it might not work, but what I did is I got this LED flasher relay from TST Industry. Basically like OEM somewhat, yeah, but you're just gonna have to transfer all these plastics over, plug it right back in right here. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I was just getting carried away because I kind of wanted to finish. But yeah, it is this, hold on, let me see. 5 Allen key. And you just have 4 on the side, one right here, down here, and the same on the other side. And yeah, it should like make your LED lights not work. But my rear lights were never working since I got the bike. And since I wanted to change this out, I noticed it was unplugged. So this is probably the issue, I'm hoping. Yeah, like I said, my lights were never blinking from when I got the bike, but yeah, that actually fixed it. But this one was probably fine. It was just unplugged. But yeah, I actually have to fix the turn signals because that one, yeah, the left one's supposed to be blinking with the left, but that's right. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished product. I'm just gonna finish the rest off camera. This is the Motorsports Fender Eliminator kit with the TST Industry LED low profile kit and the relay. And yeah, I'll just put it all back together and fix that. Then I'll show you how it looks. So this weather is it's gonna be a hot day today, and I still have work, and I've been up since 8:30. So I've just been taking my time doing this. So I don't really mind. But yeah, it's gonna be hot today. Hold on, I'll flip it. Alright, so this is after. I don't know if. Oh, yeah, I forgot. LEDs in the rear don't stay on. But yeah, that's how it looks now. A lot cleaner, in my opinion. And yeah, it's a pretty simple install. Yeah, I'm sorry if I look like a mess. It's hot today, but yeah. Thanks to whoever watched. Like I said, I'm gonna have ground content now, and still the SI because I'm still doing stuff. Yeah, still not done, but yeah, if you like the video, share, whatever. Let me know if you need any help, questions, with anything. I'm always down to answer questions for people. So yeah, thanks to whoever watched, and I'll catch you in the next video to whatever I do on the ground.